Got to feel in heaven when my lover's near. Lord, let this moment last for another year.
Hi everyone! Now we are finally in Osaka! And now we are buying the train tickets for the whole trip. The ticket had all the information from Kansai Airport to Kyoto, which is has the seat number, time. It comes every 30 minutes.
Let it be the thing that I am longing for. Let's fly out from Manhattan to the California shore.
So now we are on board America train from Kansai Airport to Kyoto. It will take just only 80 minutes. So see you in Kyoto.
Don't say you have to go. Don't say.
It's very cold here.
We are in Kyoto!
Station and we can have a drink downtown. Let it be the night that I am longing for. Let's fly down south to Austin or to Ecuador. Just to drink pina colada on a hot, wet summer's day. Oh, lover, please, please stay. Yeah.
Now we're walking to the temple of Kiyomizu-dera, and we have to walk uphill about 100 meters. Let's see if we make it. And it's cold.
Along the way you will see a shop house where they open a workshop and you can make your handcraft with a clay, create a bowl or glass, very Japanese style.
We get totally different vibe from summer and autumn. This is a natural fountain that falls from the mountain, and we have to take the water in this and wash our hands or face. I feel lucky already. This is 5:30 p.m. and look how dark it is. Really, really cold and dark. And it's just 5:30 p.m.
So we are at the Fushimi Inari shrine in Kyoto. It's very famous and popular because there's thousands of the 3 poles. It's just like this, like an arc, and on the arc there will written who is the owner, and on the other side they'll say like date and time that they put the tour here. Interesting. We're gonna go to the hotel to take some shower. Good morning. Today we are going to visit the Osaka Castle, but first thing, let's find some breakfast. This way.
Lovers near.
So I ordered American breakfast with fried rice and sausage.
Of the Osaka Castle. We took this shuttle from in front of the park, around the park and around the castle, and as you can see the castle is surrounded by water. It was like to use to protect the enemy or something. Yeah, let's go inside the castle.
We are sitting in the wall of the Osaka Castle, which can, overtake the view of the garden, the park, the lake, and everything in Osaka. It's quite amazing that, how people who build this kind of stuff is quite high. And you see the block is like designed for placing the cannon to protect the castle. So it's quite special here in front of the castle. They built up the time capsule where they schedule to like open and update everyday stuff like a mobile phone or laptop or any technologies in that time to place it inside.
We just came out from visiting the inside of the Osaka Castle. Everything was so beautiful. Finally, it's sunny. You can see the sun. I can wear the sunglasses. We finally arrived in the fish market. There's a lot of like fresh seafood, like which you can like take from the water and cook it here. There's plenty of restaurant. See, like there's a seafood products.
Your smile reminds me in every single way. Your smile reminds me of the perfect day.
To Nara Park, which has a lot of deer animals where we can feed them. So let's go.
This is my favorite lemonade shop.
Now we are heading uphill to see all the deers, all the animal in the park. It's called Nara Park, and I just got this hot lemonade. So good that it's like perfect for the cold weather. How cute it is. Welcome to Nara.
Normally, when you go to Japanese shrine or temple, you must get some amulet for your lucky or bring you good things. And what's special here is they write down for you, like made to order. Yeah.
We just had dinner and now we are going to Namba, which has the sign of Kuliko. Yeah, let's go. It's so cold right now. I'm so freaking cold.
If you come to Osaka, the signature or the highlight place to have to visit is this one, the Kuliko signboard. And we are here, the Dotonbori area.
Nice. Thank you so much. Next.
The name is Sad Cafe, but actually a very happy place. There's a super cool breakfast place here. They have a set menu, everything in English.
After we had breakfast, took a train, and now we finally arrived in Universal Studio Japan. Today we're gonna have to play roller coaster and go into the Nintendo world. Let's see how amazing it is. Let's go.
We are queuing for the Kiyomizu-dera shop.
Yeah.
Half an hour already. After an hour waiting outside now, we are getting to wait. Welcome to America-mura. So this area there's plenty of like imported brand. Normally there'll be a place where the youth or Japanese youth gathering for some cool things. So we gonna check it out, like brand, the shops, the activities, even cafe around. We are at the Osaka Public Hall. meat crispy fry. Today we are going to try the sushi in Dotonbori area. The sushi floating on the lane and you can pick up whatever you want to eat. So let's try. Perfect. Very fresh fish and variety of menu.
Sushi is chef kiss. And now we are heading upstairs to Umeda Coffee. It's like a little coffee shop located on the second floor of the building.
I mean, we are going to the Namba Yasaka shrine. So after shopping, we have to fill up our tummy. We are looking at the all-you-can-eat yakiniku restaurant. And we will see like how the grilled beef can heal us. Let's go.
It is standard and the beef tongue is a steak and the so key point but standard all include oriental drinks, no beer or ingredient.
The past 4 days have been amazing. This was my first time in Japan and I really loved it. And this is our first video for you guys, and please subscribe and like us so we keep having something wonderful to show you guys. Bye bye.